Children, in commerce class, today we are going to see about the fourth unit, Human Resource Management. Already we finished 8 lessons, 3 units. The fourth unit contains 4 chapters. First one, the topic name is Human Resource Management. Under the Human Resource Management, 9th chapter, we are going to study the fundamentals of Human Resource Management. Then 10th one, recruitment methods. 11th one, employee selection process. And 12th one, employee training method. So in this fourth unit, we have 4 lessons. Under human resource management, we have 4 lessons. The first one is fundamentals of human resource management. Human resource is the most important element in any organization. The success, growth and development of organization depend on the quality of workforce they possess. It is only through the human resource all other resources are actively utilized, leading to the efficient and effective running of an establishment. So the significance of human resource is gaining momentum in recent years because the growing global business leading to demand for quality workforce. So in any organizations, the quality of workforce of human is essential. So we are going to study about the human resource in this lesson in detail. So in this lesson, we will study about the meaning and definition of human resource, characteristics of human resource, significance of human resource, and meaning and definition of human resource management, nature and features of human resource management, significance of human resource management, and last one, functions of human resource management. The first one is meaning and definition of human resource. With the advent of globalization, liberalization and privatization leading to the advancement in information and communication and technology paved the way for exhibiting the high level of innovation and creativity in the human resource. So all the globalization, GNP, globalization, liberalization and privatization is possible only with the help of the human resource. In the current scenario, unless the organization recruits, select and utilize the high quality of human resource, the sustainability of remains a question. In order to accomplish personal and organizational objectives, the unique asset called human resource. So in an organization, the human resource are the employees who are inevitable for the survival and success of the enterprise. So according to Peter F. Drucker, man of all resources available to him can grow and develop. In the words of Leon G. Mackinson, the total knowledge, skills, creative abilities, talents and aptitudes of an organization workforce as well as the values, attitudes and beliefs of the individuals involved. As per the Michael J. Jusius, human resource is a whole consisting of interrelated, interdependent and interacting sociological and sociological and ethical components. A human resource must have a physical and sociological and ethical components. So these are the meaning and definition of human resource. The next heading is features of human resources or the characteristics of human resource. The unique, peculiar and distinctive features of human resources are man is a peculiar features. So not other resources, man is a very peculiar. First one, human resource is the only factor of production that lives. Then human resource created all other resources. It is only the labor of employees that is hired and not the employee himself. Human resource exhibit innovation and creativity. Then human resource alone can think, act, analyze and interpret. Human resources are emotional beings. Human resources can be motivated either financially or non-financially. The behavior of human resources are unpredictable. Over years, human resources gains value and appreciate, and human resources are movable. human resources can work as a team. So there are 11 points under the features of human resource. Human resources are movable. Shortly we can say human resources can work as a team. Over human resources power can be retained for the over the last years. Then the behavior of the human resources are unpredictable. Unpredictable cannot be measured. Human resources can be motivated either financially or non-financially. Then human resources are emotional beings. Human resources alone can think. No other resources cannot think alone, but the human resource alone can think, act, analyze and interpret. Human resource exhibits innovation and creativity. It is only the labor of employees that is hired and not the employee himself. So these are the features of human resource. The next heading we are going to see about the significance of human resources. Significance is nothing but importance. The vital resource, namely human resource, is significant because of the following reasons. First one, it is only through human resource all other resources are effectively used. For example, if we want to produce something, we need labor first. So labor is the first human. With the help of the labor, we can produce or we can alterate the other resources. Then second point is the sustainable growth of an organization depends on the important resource, human resource. Then industrial relation depend on human resource. Human relation is possible only through human resource. Human resource manage all other factors of productions. The skill sets of human resources can be improved through training and development programs. Often the organizations conduct training and development programs in order to improve the human resource. Human resource can be utilized at all levels of management. Human resources are well protected by legislative framework. For example, each and every organization there is a separate law for the human resources to protect it. The next heading is meaning and definition of human resource management. The branch of management that deals with the managing human resource is known as human resource management. In order to achieve the personal and organizational objectives of human resources are to be trained up and managed. In short, it is a managing people of different strata for the accomplishment of the organizational goals. It includes the overall progress of the employee and enterprises. So human resource management is a function of management concerned with hiring, motivating and maintaining people in an organization. Definition: according to Dale Udall, human resource management is the effective process of planning and directing the application, development and utilization of human resources in employment. The effective process of planning and directing the application, development and utilization of human resource in employment.